For this activity or this quiz, uh, we already have a video on how to use the art of stats. There's one for Python programming on Google Colab. Now we want to create a video on using R programming on Posit.Cloud. So what we're going to do is copy paste this. So we're going to use the NECTIR AI. So what I want you to do is click on the NECTIR AI link in the description in the technology portion down here. Or if you go on the syllabus, you find the link in the syllabus that you can use. All right, so it brings us here. I'm going to use my Gmail account, so sign in with Google. Yeah, so if you expand this, you have all this data that we need. All right, so I copy paste the table. Let's see what it tells us. It says which program we want to use. So we're going to use. I'm going to use R programming via Posit.Cloud. And here it takes us through on how to do it. So first, let's make sure you have your data ready. Have you already uploaded the Olympics? So very nice. So let's go to Posit.Cloud. Let's do Posit.Cloud. So if you type Posit.Cloud, I'm already logged in, so let me sign out. So can you see how to log in? It's the same as NECTIR AI. So it asks us, it says, let's log in. Now I want to log in with the Gmail account. So I'm going to go here. All right. Now I'm going to create a new project. A new RStudio project. So here it says upload the file. Click. First, let's make sure you have the ready. Have you already uploaded the data set to your Posit.Cloud? If not, you do so by click on the upload. So if I go to Posit.Cloud, it's going to take a couple minutes. Now you see on the right hand side it says upload. If I click in here, I can choose the file. I click on Olympics and that'll be yes. So the Olympics is here. Now I want to import this data set into RStudio Cloud so we can do it. So we're going to click on import data set for Excel. Yes, this is the first time I'm using on this cloud base, so it's going to install a few libraries. So it enabled me to bring the Olympic file from my laptop into the cloud and from cloud into this operational window so we can do some work with it. As we're waiting, I want to keep track of the code we use. It says which file. I click on browse, Olympic, open, and you see the file is here, and I guess import that one into the cloud and import it to the cloud. Now we're going to write a few commands. So if you go back to here, we're going to write a few commands, the read.csv and ggplots and all that. So we're going to go back. In order to keep track of those, we're going to create a new file for our script. So that way we can keep track of the files here. All right. So let's see here. We uploaded the file. Once the data is uploaded, we can proceed with the following step. Load the data. So we load the data into R. Create a scatter plot. Let me know if you need help with any of this step. So let's say you haven't done R programming. So like, help me with the codes. Right, so we go here. Right, we already have the Olympic data file open. So let me copy this and then go back here and copy it. Now, the data we have is Olympics, so we can use that directly. But let's say I just copy paste it, so I'm going to get an error message. So what we can do, since the data is Olympics, we can delete all this. We already have the file, so we can just OLY, and the beauty of it is already gives you the prompt, and you click. And to run this, for each line, you click on the run. Now, the Olympic data went to Olympics data. So that way, match the NECTIR AI command assumption, so we can make the work easy. The next, we're going to create a scatter plot. We're going to click here, copy this, and paste it into here. We're going to run this one by one. Now, at the bottom, I get an error in library ggplots. And that's because I'm directly opening the library without actually installing the package. So in order to fix this, let's say I don't know how to fix this. So you can copy paste this into NECTIR AI. And it prompts you on what to do. So it looks like the ggplot is not installed. So you can copy this here. So you can go back up here. Or if you go to Tools, Install Packages, you can type ggp ggplots 2, is this one, and you can install it, and automatically install. Or you can write this command, install packages, and get it installed. So once it is installed, what it does, it brings this library of the command. So it brings the package, and then we're gonna do run this library. Now it works. We have the Olympic data, and now we're gonna create the scatter plot, and we see the scatter plot on the right hand side. So going back to where we were. So we created a scatter plot. Now we're gonna do fit a regression line. So copy this, paste it, and let's go one by one. It creates a model first, and then it creates the best fitted line to the data. And so we have y now calculate the correlation coefficient. So click here. So we calculate the correlation coefficient, which is right here, and we run one more time, and it gives us the correlation coefficient is equal to negative 0.89 for these data sets. Right? I hope this helps.